Ansarada is Australia's leading provider of virtual data rooms. We provide secure access and artificial deal intelligence to customers who want to raise capital or diversify assets. Ansarada was moving to a subscription-based model, and our code that we've bespokely written didn't have the capabilities to do that.
They've been using Salesforce a long time, so they built a system over the space of a number of years. They've just kept adding to it and adding to it.
And we got to that point where we needed to get someone external to come in and have a look. Tquila came in and spent time, not so much on a technical level with us, but on a human level. One of the key successes of the project was their approach to run discovery workshops up front.
We have come up with a user story, like a user requirements, and we have captured that in the feature map. So that is kind of a source of truth for both the teams to refer back and forth while building the solution.
We looked at CPQ, which is Configure Price Quote System, which is a click and configure system as opposed to a code-based system.
CPQ can handle a range of product and pricing scenarios out of the box, and with some development can handle just about any conceivable scenario.
So that'll allow more people in my team to deploy products and services overnight as opposed to in 6 weeks' time.
We proposed Agile Kanban as a project approach. It set a framework for a healthy relationship. It was transparent to Ansarada what we are building, how we're tracking with the timelines, how we're tracking with the budget.
We had daily stand-ups with their team to make sure that every day we knew what they were doing yesterday and what they're going to do today. That way we didn't get to the end of the project and end up with things that we didn't require as a business. The Salesforce QDC product actually hadn't been delivered in the Asia Pac market. We were the first to do it with Tquila.
There's only a tiny handful of these quote to cash projects where that goes all the way through onto the billing cycle as well. So I was very excited to be a part of this project.
Ansarada only had 3 months from the time we decided to go with QTC with Salesforce to actually deliver that service. And Tquila came on and did it in 8 weeks. Under budget, under time, and actually gave us what we want, and that's unheard of. My team were involved in the process of the build all the way along. So when it came to handover time at the end of the project, we were familiar with every function they built and how everything worked.
We were able to work so closely with the Ansarada team that actually at the end of the project we didn't need to do much training with them at all.
The competitive edge that QTC has enabled Ansarada to have is to spend less time coding, more time point and click solutions, to have the flexibility to ensure we win business. I've worked with a lot of technology companies over the last decade, and Tquila are exceptional. People are what makes projects successful, not technology.